How to create a main menu in Unreal Engine 5. First, we need to create a new level for the main menu. Click File, then New Level. Select the basic level and create it. When it's opened, click on File again and then Save Current Level As. Name this Main Menu, then click Save. Make sure there's a player start in the level. If not, click here and search for player start, then drag it into the level. Go into the content browser, then right click and add a blueprint class. Select pawn, then name it BP Main Menu Character. Open it, then click the Add button and search for a camera. Compile and save, then go back to the contents browser. Create another blueprint class, this time selecting Game Mode Base. Call this BP Main Menu Mode. Open it, then change the default pawn class to the one we just made. Compile and save, then go back to the viewport. Click Window, then World Settings. Under World Settings, change the Game Mode Overwrite to the game mode we just made. Next, go to Edit, then Project Settings. Then go to Maps and Modes and set the default maps to our main menu level. Next, go back to the content browser, right click, go to User Interface and then Widget Blueprint. Call this WBP Main Menu. Open it, then search for Canvas Panel and drag it in. Then search for Size Box and drag that in. Make it a bit bigger, then go to Anchors and set it to Centered. Next, add a vertical box. Then get a button and drag it into the vertical box. Rename this to Button Start, then make sure Is variable is ticked. Then add some padding to the top and bottom of the button. Next, search for text and drag it onto the button. Change the text to Start. Then select the button, right-click and duplicate it. Rename it to Button Options. Select the text element and set the text to Options. Right-click and duplicate it one more time. Rename the button to Button Quit. Make sure it's a variable, then click on the text element and set the text to Quit. Click on the size box and move it into the center. Compile and save, then go to the graph. Delete these, then right click and search for Get Player Controller. Drag off and search for Set Input Mode UI Only. Connect it to the event construct. Drag off the player controller again and search for Set Show Mouse Cursor. Set it to true, then connect it up. Next, we'll add the button functionality. Click on the Start button, then go to On Pressed and add it. Drag off and search for Open Level by name. Here you want to insert the exact name of the main level of your game. I will leave out the Options button for now, as I'll be making a separate video on adding a settings menu to your game. Next, click on the Quit button and add an On Pressed. Drag off and search for Quick Game. Compile and save, then go back to the main menu character and go to the event graph. Delete these, then drag off the event begin play and add a create widget. Go to the drop down and select our main menu widget. Then right click on this pin and promote it to a variable. This will be useful if you want to build upon this main menu system. Drag off the variable and search for add to viewport. Compile and save, then go back to the viewport. When you press play, the main menu should appear on the screen. If you press the quit button, you'll see that it exits you out the game. If you press the start button, it will open your main game level. You may notice that your player is unable to move. This is due to the input mode still being set to UI. We can fix this quickly by opening up the main game level. Click here, then go to Open Level Blueprint. Right click and add an event begin play. Right click again and add a Get Player Controller. Drag off the player controller and search for Set Input Mode Game Only. Drag off again and search for Set Show Mouse Cursor. Connect it up. Compile and save. Now if you open up your main menu level and press play, you should have a working main menu system.